Hey guys, Jay Howerton, Service Manager, Neil Huffman Honda in Clarksville. Just wanted to touch base with everyone, say hi, let you know we're here for you. We care about you. Running a special now through the end of the month, kind of a Black Friday type of special on vehicle maintenance. It'll be buy two fluids. You'll get the third one at half price. So just a way to help keep your Honda running the way it's supposed to, performing the way it's supposed to. Arguably, Hondas are the best vehicles on the road, but they don't get that way by themselves. They've got to be maintained, they've got to be taken care of. So a little something we can do to help everyone get that maintenance done. We are offering financing now, really easy. You can go jump onto the website, click on it. I think it takes like 30 seconds to come back. It'll tell you if you're approved, what you're approved for. So if that's an option that you need to take advantage of, jump onto the website, and then when you come in and we do the multi-point inspection, ask one of your service advisors about the video inspection process that we're doing. It's discreet. They'll take a video of the car, look over everything, they'll send it directly to your email, and then you can see what a certified Honda technician sees when he's underneath the car. So it's pretty cool. Believe it or not, a lot of people have no idea what some of these parts are on their car, what we're talking about. So it's nice when we say, starter needs to be replaced, that we can look and say that's what a starter is, or sway bar links or shocks or whatever the problem may be. So just ask about that when you come in and mention this video, and you can take advantage of the buy two fluids. You'll get the third one for half price. Thanks a lot. We'll look forward to seeing you. Everyone stay safe, and Huffman has it.